for? Look.
See when the gates flash, or the lights flash. Oh, there they go.
Flashing.
I saw it. That's awesome, right?
Yeah. First train.
Yeah.
Well, at least we're happy now, right?
Are you happy now?
Yeah.
Good.
Well, we're happy at least.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Finally a train came.
Yep.
And these are the odd looking cars. I feel like we've seen a lot of these now, you know? I feel like we've seen a lot of these odd cars now.
Yeah.
Well, that engine didn't wave at me though.
It didn't?
Which was a little rude.
Well, maybe they weren't on this side of the engine, you know?
I feel like this might be the train that we were looking for.
Maybe.
Actually, no, I think the front locomotive looks different. The 2 liters.
Really?
They might not, but it's like they look different though. First BNSF here too, right?
Which one did we see last time we were here? Was it a Union Pacific or a BNSF?
Union Pacific.
It was?
Yeah.
Yeah, then this is the first BNSF we've seen at this crossing.
Well, look at that happen. Someone spray painted that one.
They did. And look, Truman, if you look way over that way, you can see the train cars on the other side of the lake. Do you see them? Yeah.
I can see them. Oh, Daddy! There's a Canadian Pacific on this!
A Canadian National?
I think I just saw one!
Ooh. Man, that'd only be like our second Canadian National engine, right?
I've seen one! I think I've seen one! I think I just saw one! Yes! Another Canadian National! It is one! That's another Canadian National!
I think it's speeding up a little bit.
Me too. It is speeding up.
Yeah. Comes the CN.
Daddy! It is a Canadian National! Look!
Just wait. Oh, there it is.
It's an SD70 again! No.
CN.
8009! First Canadian National here in Colorado Springs.
Yeah.
That makes me so happy, you know, it kind of looks like a, well, that was a pretty short train. I think it was like 3 minutes and something.
I don't know, the video was 4.5 minutes so far. All right. And see it going.
And we're gonna take another shot of this little Canadian Pacific train.
Can't really get it too well. Oh well, we tried. Right? All right, say
Bye, 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 bye.
all right. And what do you want to say?
Subscribe to our channel and never unsubscribe.
All right. And thank you.
Click the